I got a new piece of equipment for the Thunderbolt. I can't see under there, but hopefully you can see what's in there. But yep, hopefully I'll get this off the trailer and hopefully I can start repairing it. Hey guys, cooldomino here. I finally got a blower. Well, at least parts of a blower. This one right here, this is the cover right here. I'm not 100% sure where all these parts came from though, so if you try to ask me about where they came from, I'm not really gonna answer them because I don't really know. So, only thing I do know is the frame right here, the blower frame came from Phoenix, Arizona a long time ago. And you can see it used to be a 5M because you can tell by the weights right there. The relief valve. Oh yeah, no, so this piece of metal, I'm gonna bend this back down into place and weld that back on as well. This piece of metal got bent up there. But yeah, there's a weights right there. I have a cover on here to keep the weather out of it. There's no compressor in there yet. So yeah, I've also been doing some testing over here earlier. So yeah, that's the blower cover. Not the 2000 series blower cover. This one's called the A2 series. See, there's the blower vents right there. A1 or A2. The blower vents are on the side. I say no to 2000 though, but it's not 2000. You can see this one right here. Interesting enough, I don't know why, but one hole not threaded, and one hole is threaded. I'm not sure why. This is the bolt holding it down. I won't take the cover off right now, but once I get everything put back together, I'll get it back together. And this is this big long standpipe that came with it right here. You can see how long it is. You can see it goes back behind my vortex right there. So yeah, that looks pretty cool right there. And the next part I'm going to show you is the compressor, or at least parts of it. So here is at least the inside of the compressor though. Unfortunately though, one of the lobes is broken right there. I might get that to a machine shop or welding shop to get it looked at and welded back together. But other than that, this thing seems to spin pretty smoothly after I got it unseized. You can see the lobe does spin in there. That's pretty well, and a little bit of greasy as well, but it still smells like PB Blaster. Here's the top of it that came off of it right here. In pretty good shape though. It's still definitely a pain in the butt to get all this taken apart though, but yeah, and other than that, it seems to be working just fine. Other than that, so hopefully I get to get this welded back on the shaft here, or get a replacement. I don't know yet. I don't think I really need to retime anything, but just in case I might retime it. I did a lot of research on blowers as well. But yeah, it's a 4M. You can see there's the stamp right there at the 4MC, I think is what it says. Yeah, I think it's 4MC. So yeah, that's that right there. And I'm going to show you the motor that I also got. Here is the motor right here. This is the 7.5 horse single phase motor, C series. But I took the pulley wheel off already though. The pulley wheel is over here. And there's a bunch of dirt and grime in it though. You can see it's still a little greasy as well, but you can see the original belts look like they got stuck in there, but I'm hoping to clean this up though. I'm not planning on using this though because mine's going to be an A2, not a C series, but since the shaft diameter is the same, I believe 1 3/8 or something like that, 1 1/8. I think it's 1 1/8, but shaft diameter is the same on the 3-phase and the single phase versions. So yeah, I'm hoping to use that. Breaker temporarily wired this to the breaker. It does run. However, this capacitor here went bad on me. Interesting, when I first got it and I did a first test on it, it actually ran just fine. But when I took it apart, clean out the dirt and grime that was in there, there's a lot of it. Same in the blower as well, like some fluff or something inside there. And this one right here, this is the capacitor. This doesn't work anymore. This is the biggest capacitor. I don't know what value it is. You can't even see the numbers on there, but if anyone knows what the value of this thing is, please let me know in the comments down below. So there's that, and also, yeah, I have two run capacitors, brand new run capacitors wired in here temporarily, so I can at least see what the current draws. Because without these run capacitors, draw 20 amps. That's a lot. It should only draw like 10 to 12 amps on full load, or no load actually. So our capacitors are in good shape. You can see here, and I need to redo the terminals on here because these are starting to fall apart. There's the lid that goes for it, and there's the cover for the junction box right here. Yep, and also the motor adapter plate. The little plates that sit on the motor are in the blower cover, so I can't really show you those right now. But yeah, it seems to be looking good right here, and you can see this is a 20 microfarad. And this one here is a 30 microfarad, and those two would add up to make it 50 microfarads because they're wired in parallel. And plus we have two 10 microfarads in here that are wired in parallel as well. That's 20 microfarads here, so basically 50 plus 20 is 70 microfarads total. So I'm guessing it's 100 microfarads total run capacity. I'm not 100% sure, but I'll figure that out. And I have one more thing to show you, and that is 3 new Whelen drivers. Well, not new, but new to me. These drivers right here came from West Shore Services right here. This came off of 2700. Not sure where the white ones came off of, though, maybe 2800. But this is the red driver brand that got brand new back in 2020. You may remember that video. If you haven't seen that video yet, click on the card above and you'll be able to find it. You can see you got them wired up to my control box right here, my Whelen controller. And these are some extra screens as well that I got sent as well. They're going to go on top here because apparently they didn't came with screens. Anyways, so that's about it right there. You can see the connections are not the greatest on the 2700 series driver, but hopefully I could be able to do. I still have to solder as best I can, but if this burns out for whatever reason, I'm going to have to get a new driver or maybe replace the voice coil or something. I don't know, but hopefully I could be able to at least save it, because I got this connection is fine. This connection needs to be redone. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video about the blower, hopefully.